Hey guys, I have been on a roll doing these affiliate marketing videos. So today I want to talk about some easy affiliate marketing programs that anyone can sign up for. So I'm going to call this video 5 affiliate marketing programs for beginners. So let's get right into it. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys how you can make the most money with affiliate marketing. You ready? Let's go. All right, so we're going to do a countdown to the best. So I'm going to start with number 5, and that's going to be the Amazon Associates program. Now, this is a program that anyone can join, and I highly recommend checking out my video I did on how to make money with their program, because my friend Debbie Gardner is making $4,000 to $5,000 every single month, even with their low commission rates. The reason why Amazon is such a great affiliate marketing program is because you can purchase almost anything on Amazon, so that's why it makes sense to be an Amazon affiliate partner, even with their low commission rates. I say that it's better to make some money than none. And people are always asking about what type of YouTube equipment I use. So I created this little store of mine of all the YouTube equipment I use that you can purchase on Amazon. And I always just give people this link that I use of all the things that I use. So this makes for a great affiliate opportunity, because when they're ready to make a purchase, they're going to go back to my store to see what I use, and they're going to click on it and make a purchase. So you guys see how that works? There's many different ways you guys can use the Amazon affiliate program. So make sure you guys check that video out to see how to sign up, and then just all the different ways that you can make money. All right, number 4, Rakuten. Now I touched on this last week, but I'm going to quickly explain what this is and how you can use it. Now, Rakuten is a cashback app that literally gives you cash back every time you purchase something that's in their program, which is most of the places that people shop at. You know, I figure if I'm going to buy something online, I'm going to try and get some money back if I can. So every time I purchase something online, I go through Rakuten first. Now, I first started promoting Rakuten when I saw that I was getting $43 in cash back. And I was really surprised that I was getting that much money back for purchasing stuff that I was going to buy anyway. So I shared that with my readers, and I included it in my blog articles that made sense. And I said, if you guys are going to buy something, make sure you use Rakuten so you can get some of that money back. And I showed them my screenshot of how I made $43 in January. And I said, click here to get $30 when you spend at least $30 online. And I gave them my referral link when they were signing up. This is how I've made over $4,000 with them. And this is a combination of the cashback that I receive from using them myself and referrals. And just so you guys know, they send you a check every 3 months. So this isn't something that you want to bank on frequently, but it is a nice extra income to add to your portfolio. So use it yourself, rack up some cash back, and show people how much you've made from it. That's what really will make people want to sign up. And of course, if you guys want to sign up, you can just use my referral link that I'll put in the description below and in the comment section. All right, number 3 is Honey. Now, Honey is similar to Rakuten, but it focuses more on finding coupon codes for you. So when you are about to check out, I press the Honey Chrome extension, and it tries to find any coupons that work for my order. Now, it also helps you find the best price for something that you're trying to buy on Amazon. Now, you can't use Rakuten and Honey at the same time when you're trying to make a purchase. So what I do is I see which one is going to make me the most money. Now, I'll go to Rakuten first, see how much I can get from them. If it's not that much, or I'll just always see how much can Honey get me next. And I'll just see which one can save me the most money, and that is what I use. And that's what I tell my readers too. I tell them to see which one will give you the most bang for your buck and use that one when you're ready to make that purchase. So same scenario, I've used them and I show others how much that I've saved with them, and I say click here to sign up. Now they pay you in gift cards, but that could also be a PayPal gift card, which turns into cash money. So you get money a lot quicker with Honey, which I do like, but you only get $5 for every person that you refer. Now I've made over $500 with this one, and I haven't promoted them as long as I have with Rakuten, but this is a nice addition to add to my articles when I'm talking about Rakuten, and you guys can do the exact same thing. And of course, I'm going to put my referral link in the description below if you guys want to sign up. The next one is number 2, and it's Dosh. And it's the one I really like the most because it is amazing. You just set it and forget it. It's all passive income. So what you do is you link your credit card or your debit card to the app to automatically get cash back when you shop, eat, and travel at participating merchants with the Dosh app. For example, for some crazy reason, they give me $75 just for paying my AT&T phone bill. It's something called AT&T Fiber, and I have no idea why they do this, because my sister and I, we both have Dosh. We have the same phone plan. We share the plan together, but we pay with our different credit cards. Now, she doesn't get anything, but they give me $75, and I'm not gonna ask why, but I'm just enjoying this money that I'm getting back for paying my own phone bill. It's honestly crazy, but there's the proof. I highly recommend you guys sign up because this can happen to you too. And also, they have a ton of other merchants that we shop and use all the time. Like, for example, they have H&M in their program. So if I shop and buy things at H&M, even if I go to the store, I still get 6% cash back because my credit card is linked and they're in their program. So every time I shop with any place that's in their program, I automatically get money back. So I recommend this one. Just even if you did want to use their referral program, use it for yourself because you can make a great amount of money back just by using your credit card on things that you're going to purchase anyway. So of course, I share this info with my email list and in my blog posts. And every time someone signs up with my referral link, I earn $10. So over time, I've made over $3,000 with them. And this is from referring people and just using it myself. So I highly recommend you guys get this, even if you just want to use it for yourself. So what I would do is use these apps, rack up some money, and then tell people about it. Create YouTube videos or write articles about the best money-saving apps or money-saving tips or whatever. Just think about different ways that you can promote these apps, and that's how you can make money. Now, number one on this list is a new affiliate marketing network that I recently learned about, and it's called Travelpayouts. Now, I'm going to do a video about this next week, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you guys get notified when I post that video. Because this platform has over 100 different travel affiliate programs like Cheapo Air, Booking.com, TripAdvisor, Get Your Guide, and a ton more. So anytime you travel, use the programs in that network so you can write about it, and if anyone uses your link, you earn a commission. And they're even offering this limited time only sign up bonus where you get $25 just for signing up. So make sure you guys sign up today because I don't know how long they're gonna give this offer. If you enjoy traveling, you might as well make some money doing it too. This is a great opportunity. If you're gonna travel, you might as well make money doing it by using affiliate links, telling people about your trip, talking about the things that you've done or did, and that will make them want to do the same thing. And then if they do that, they're going to use your link because they want to do the exact same thing that you did. And that's how you make money. And that's how this stuff works. And another way to make a nice amount of money with affiliate marketing is to sell other people's courses. Now, the higher the price of the course, the bigger your commission check. Courses are the new way people are learning. And if they can help people learn a new skill or make more money, it is a total win-win. So whatever your niche is, see if there are any courses out there that you can promote that can help others and see if they have an affiliate program. You want to think of the different ways that you can promote that course. Now, does that all make sense? If it does, put in the comment section $3 so I know that you guys actually made it to the end of this video and that you're ready to make some money. Now, if you guys want to see how I would start a website this year and turn it into 6 figures, you can check that video out right now. And all the links in this video will be in the description below, so check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.